Hello and welcome to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Arm exercises. No equipment arm exercises for slimmer and toned arms. Are your arms on the heavier side? Are you bothered by that annoying arm fat? Are you always hiding them underneath long sleeves? Worry no more, ladies. I've got you covered with these easy but effective arm exercises targeted to reduce arm fat in just 3 to 4 weeks. Get up and get toned. Before we start, remember to press the like button to subscribe so you won't miss any of these excellent exercises. Exercise number 1, arm crosses. Time 35 seconds. Stand with your feet and shoulders well aligned. Stretch your arms to the side, then cross your arms to bring them forward. Repeat this back and forth movement until the set is complete. And make sure to stretch your chest to get a good dose of cardio to burn more calories, because more calories burned means you lose weight. Good job! Exercise number 2, arm raises. Time 25 seconds. Next up, arm raises. Just like what I'm doing. Keep your hands on the side, then raise your arms up high with your palms meeting together at the top of your head. Then lower your arms with the starting position. It looks so easy, but this actually strengthens and tones your shoulder area. This perfectly shapes your shoulders and improves your posture, because toned shoulders are always sexy. Do this for a few seconds to get your heart rate up, so you'll be ready to do more exercises with me. Just a few more. Go, go, go. Exercise number 3, overhead tricep extensions. Time 30 seconds. All right, good job, guys. Now make sure to tighten your core for this one. Put your hands together on top of your head like this. Your elbows should be tucked in your ears. Lower your hands behind your head and bend your elbows. There you go. This tricep workout strengthens your muscles. It's also a daily workout that can trim down your unwanted arm fat. So easy and helpful at the same time. Exercise number 4, bench arm lateral raise with rotation. Time 20 seconds. Next, raise your elbows and curl your hands. Raise them up and out to the side. Your hands should be angled above your head. Elbows and shoulders should be aligned with each other. Now lower your forearms up to a 90-degree angle. And again, keep going. If you're feeling stronger today, level up with dumbbells. Tone up your shoulders and upper arms with this workout. And what's great about this is that it can be part of your warm-up, main workout, or cool down. You're doing fantastic. Exercise number 5, arm circles. Time 30 seconds. Let's go for arm circles this time. Stretch your arms to the side and draw a circle with your arms. Step it up by doing reverse arm circles at the same time. Just follow my lead, guys. This is one of my favorites because not only does it strengthen your shoulders, triceps, and biceps, it also reduces arm fat when you do this every day. Then it tones your muscles once your arm fat is removed. I'm sure you can feel the burn by this time, and it's definitely worth it. Monitor your breathing too. Exercise number 6, standing chest fly. Time 30 seconds. Let's move on to standing chest fly. Raise your arms out and to the side. Make sure your palms are facing forward. Your elbows and shoulders must be aligned. Now bring your hands, arms, and elbows to the middle in front of your body, then bring them back to the side. Repeat for a few seconds. This strengthens and shapes up your chest and shoulder muscles to make sure that you have a toned and well-proportioned body. And did you know that it can even give your breasts a little lift? Go for it, ladies! Exercise number 7, arm swings. Time 25 seconds. How about a swing routine, right? Stand with feet apart, raise your arms just a little bit away from your body, and start swinging them just like this. This workout gets rid of those annoying bat wings, or commonly known as arm fat. We surely don't want those. If you want to level this up, you can use light dumbbells because when you work harder, you burn more calories. This is great for your overall weight loss. Exercise number 8, standing toe touch. Time 35 seconds. Next, standing toe touch workout. Stand with your feet apart and arms on the side. Bend to reach for your toes. Don't forget to do this on the other side too. Stretching is always good for the arms. This is a good stretch to tone your arms and shoulders. Plus, it also reduces stomach fat. Make sure to tighten your core as you do this routine. Exercise number 9, shoulder rolls. Time 30 seconds. It's time to relax your muscles, guys. Place your hands on your shoulders. Rotate the shoulders backwards to create large circular motions. You can also rotate them forward for another set. What I like about this is it increases your flexibility, which is great when you're trying to achieve proper exercise form. Start slowly and enjoy it as it releases the tension from your shoulders. Exercise number 10, side forward arm raises. Time 35 seconds. 2 more to go. Keep pushing. Everyone can totally do this. All you need to do is raise your arms on the side. Arms and shoulders should be aligned when you do this, one after the other. Bring your stretched arm forward, then put it down. There you go. Nice and steady, guys. I added this routine because it makes your shoulders and arms work harder to make sure you're getting rid of more arm fat as you go. Don't forget to tighten your core to engage your whole upper body. We all want a slim and toned upper body, right? Push more so you can burn more unwanted fat. Exercise number 11, side elbow raises. Time 15 seconds. We're finally down to the last exercise. You guys are amazing. For this one, bring your arms and elbows together. Make sure your elbows are facing downwards. After, lift one elbow to the side, then the other one to the other side. Yes, that's right. So easy, right? Feel the burn and feel the tension as it tones your muscles to achieve slimmer and leaner arms. Do this routine every day to see maximum results. Hope you enjoyed your workout today and see you in our next sweat session. Remember to like and share with your friends. Thanks, guys. Bye.